Avoid these 4 costly Google ad mistakes. Marketing managed. Digital marketing expert shares the 4 worst mistakes you can make when running Google ad campaigns. People use Google to search 3.5 billion times a day, and each search offers opportunities for you to get your brand in front of more eyes. This means increasing leads, conversions, and sales. Using Google ads might be the best decision you make for your business, but you first need to learn how to use them effectively. Digital marketing expert Mark Barrett of Marketing Managed, Bacon Marketing, shares the 4 biggest mistakes people make when running Google ad campaigns. First, not using analytics. Data is critical in developing an ads account. Google Analytics should sit at the center of your digital marketing activity, and correctly setting it up can take your Google ads from a blindfolded broad approach to a laser-focused approach, targeting your best audience to provide the best possible ROI. Ensure that Analytics is installed with the latest version of code, demographics and interests are turned on, goals and/or e-commerce tracking is correctly set up, and best practice filters are in place. 2. Neglecting asset integration. While Analytics will automatically compile data from multiple sources, certain platforms need to be integrated or linked with it to provide real benefits, namely Google Ads and Google Search Console. These platforms should be integrated with each other before a single penny of your advertising budget is spent. Google Search Console, Google Analytics. This will provide feedback on the queries driving organic traffic to the website, which is an incredible source of keywords for your AdWords campaigns. Google Search Console, Google Ads. This will allow you to look at reports comparing the performance of keywords across paid and organic listings. Google Analytics, Google Ads. This integration cuts both ways, with each platform passing highly valuable data to the other, enriching both sets. 3. Making assumptions. Assumptions are often made in the setup of Google Ads campaigns, which can turn out very costly. Making assumptions about your customers and their behavior, and taking steps in Google Ads to counter those assumptions can break a campaign. Never assume who your customers are and how they will find you. Let the data guide you and optimize as you learn. To automation laziness. There are various automation options available, and it seems Google is pushing users towards automating as much of their Google Ads activity as possible. It's now extremely easy to set up a campaign, enter your budget, put in your website address, input a little sales messaging, and let Google Ads do the rest. Mark's advice is start out as manually as you can and automate once you know more. If you liken a Google Ads account to a child, you begin by doing everything for them, and as they mature, you do less and less. About Marketing Managed, Bacon Marketing. Marketing Managed, Bacon Marketing approach marketing the same way an in-house team would, but with the benefits of working on multiple campaigns at any given time across many industries. Their offering includes consultancy all the way through to implementation of a full mixed skills marketing or augmentation of your current marketing team. We are beyond. Marketing Managed, Bacon Marketing provides a full review, streamlining and optimization service that will take your marketing and advertising to the next level. Please see our range of services or complete the form to discuss your needs with us. Straightforward approach. We always start by finding out about your business, it's unique, then we get to work on planning, building your strategy, and adding sizzle to your marketing. And our combined backgrounds are a combination of both generalist and digital marketers, largely focused on digital marketing and also how it can be blended with offline marketing. It has meant that we have had to be hands-on and strategic.